Hello everyone. What you just heard was the anthem of a movie named Top Gun. And before we begin the video, I want you to watch this clip.
I can't shoot this son of a bitch. Let's see if we can have a little fun with him. Is this your idea of fun, man? Greetings. Watch the birdie. Jeez, I cracked myself up. This is a great shot, Mav. I should be a photographer. Cougar.
So, what you just saw was a clip from a movie named Top Gun. And Top Gun is a movie that inspired 3 generations of men to join the Navy and serve their respective countries. So, with this, I'm going to begin my 3rd episode of Repeater Asks Recommended Answers, and this is the first naval version of the same. So, today I'm going to share my interaction with Joseph, which I had few days before. So, Joseph is a mechanical engineer from Kerala, and he was recommended by NSB Visakhapatnam in his very first attempt. So, I guess his story will be fruitful for you. One thing, this video is a little bit different from all others because I've included few more clips from the movie Top Gun, and it is kind of elongated meme that you will get to see. So, I guess it will be more enjoyable and it will be fruitful for everyone who is watching. So, I request you all to please watch this video till the end, and you won't be disappointed. Thank you so much. Hi Joseph, welcome to Alpha Bravo Foxtrot.
Yes,
And how are you feeling?
I'm feeling good, man. I'm feeling really good. Just woke up from a sleep, so I might look a little bit drowsy, but yeah, all good, man. Just waiting for my call-up letter to join the academy right now.
Okay. It must be really thrilling to see your name in the merit list and finally be done with it. Ki, हाँ यार, I'm going to the academy, something like that.
It was surreal, man, because it was kind of a dream which I saw maybe 6-7 months back, and when it finally happens, you know, it's really special. And you see your parents happy because of you.
Yeah, that's
That
wonderful. Just to
that
think about it, it's very wonderful.
yeah, that is the deal breaker. Yeah.
Okay, wonderful. So, Joseph, being from Kerala and being a mechanical engineer, what motivated you to join the defense forces and specifically Navy? And what was your journey and what was your story about joining the forces?
Yeah, talking about my motivation, Ashutosh, actually my motivation came from a very parallel dream of becoming a pilot. That was
Okay.
that was how I developed my motivation to join the armed forces. But at first it was not about joining the armed forces. It was about becoming a pilot. As simple as that.
Okay.
So, like even the IO and a couple of many people ask me about why didn't you try it after your 12th? Why didn't you give your NDA exam? So back then, I never had this thought of joining the armed forces. It was a fascination that developed out when I did my research about how to be a pilot and stuff.
Okay.
So it was in my 3rd year of college, I took an elective called aerospace engineering, and then I found myself, I was not a regular class attender. So I found myself regularly attending college, and it seemed strange to me just to attend this elective. So that was when I discovered I'm in love with the subject. And that developed into a fascination for flying. And I decided in my mind whatever happens, mechanical engineering is so diverse a field. So I made up my mind after engineering, I'm going to go into this field, aerospace. Okay. So I either be a pilot, which is my dream job, or I'll try to be an aerospace engineer.
Okay.
So
So,
yeah. So again, about being a pilot, there are 2 ways, right? You can be a commercial pilot, or you can be a military pilot. And being a commercial pilot, after graduation, it takes a lot of money. My parents would have to spend a lot of money on me again. So I didn't want that. So I thought, ki, okay, why not be a military pilot then? So I did my research. Okay, and then that's how I got to know more about military flying. And then
Okay.
I watched Top Gun. I got
Ah.
fascinated. I fell in love. I fell in love.
Okay.
So,
So,
so
this video is actually somewhat I'm including some clips from Top Gun as well.
yeah,
Okay, now a question from one mechanical engineer to other. So I was watching this tape of Nikhil Philippos. He's a lieutenant commander in the Indian Navy. He's also a stand-up comedian. So he
okay.
made one dialogue. He said कि यार तेरे को वैसे तो गर्लफ्रेंड मिलेगी नहीं. तो एक
Uh,
काम कर, नेवी ज्वाइन कर ले.
mhm.
एंड नेवी ज्वाइन करने के क्या पता तेरी यूनिफॉर्म देख के कोई लड़की इंप्रेस हो जाए. Was that some sort of motivation for you?
Well, you can say so. You can say so. I had
Okay,
something like that deep dormant inside my heart, and I
okay,
might
okay, okay.
come it out in the future.
That's the real reason why men join the Navy, huh?
You never close your eyes anymore when I kiss your lips.
There's no tenderness like before in your fingertips.
You're trying hard not to show it, baby. But baby, believe me, I know that you've lost that love and feeling. Whoa, that love and feeling. You lost that love and feeling. Now it's gone, gone, gone. Whoa, whoa, sit down. Thank you. Baby, I'll get down on my knees for you.
I love that song. I've never seen that approach.
So, talking about your preparation point of view, I remember we were in the same batch. We attended our SSB interview in month of February in
You know,
Visakhapatnam.
yeah, like I guess you were the first person I saw at the railway station,
Yeah,
yeah?
yeah, exactly. And the railway station, we were finding the MCO office together.
Yeah, yeah.
So, and yeah, I even remember the day before the conference, we were discussing. I was saying, "भाई मेरा तो नहीं होने वाला," and you also say, कि, "यार, even I'm not getting recommended."
Yeah.
So, and
But
suddenly
Mhm.
next day,
I,
the only
I
person
was
get
telling
recommended.
my
That's you.
command task was terrible, man. I
Uh,
was given a task and I caught the nose like this instead of catching it like this. So I'm so I'm not anyway going to get recommended here. I remember the exact same lines, yeah. Mm.
so, did you do any sort of preparation or something like that before coming to the SSB?
Well, not as such of a rigid preparation course, but I did mentally prepare for the SSB. So I
Okay.
did few things, like I didn't do the conventional, practicing PAT, VAT, SRT. ऐसा कुछ
Uh-huh.
नहीं किया.
Uh-huh.
I what I did was I kind of brought it into my schedule to
Uh-huh.
occasionally listen to maybe podcasts. Okay, so that helped me to develop my listening skills because like SSB is all about personality assessment, and there are a
Mhm.
lot of group discussions in SSB. So I thought ki I need to be a good listener first before being a good talker. So podcasts really helped me to listen for maybe hours and maybe
Okay.
develop perceptions on certain topics. At the same time, I used to watch debates on Rajya Sabha TV. This may seem a
Oh,
little, conventional. It was boring at first. It was boring at
uh,
first, definitely
I
boring.
know, I know.
But it helped me a lot sometimes. Whenever I used to get free time, I used to do that. And then I made it a point to stay physically active. For 4 months before the SSB, I used to go running in the morning, just before work, just 1 hour before
Okay.
work. I used to run maybe 2.5, 3 kilometers. And that would get me pumped up for the day, and I would go to work and come back. And after coming back from work, I was so tired ki I just want to see a bed.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, okay.
I just managed to cramp all this in between, like just before the SSB. I guess that helped me out. So
Okay, so
now,
you made a schedule, officer-like schedule that that's how you were able to, you know, inbuild all those officer-like quality in yourself.
I guess I developed some of the officer-like qualities, some of them, over the past 4 or 5 months or so. It was gradual. It was gradual.
Okay.
Or where I had to also regain my confidence of speaking in public. I used to like participate in elocutions and public speaking in school. Okay, but once college started, I became the backbencher in class. So where
Okay.
I had to again, after a while, I had to again regain that lost confidence of mine speaking to a group of people and public speaking. So I maybe like stood occasionally in front of the mirror and maybe practiced speaking on some topics or something. I guess that helped me at the SSB too.
Okay. Okay. So, Joseph, my next question is, so do you have any specific memories from the SSB? What do you say, which you will remember maybe for life, or it taught you something, or there was some point when you thought I am not going to make it, or one there was some time when you thought that no, this is the task that I did to my best, and because of this task I'm going to get recommended. So, were there some? Is there any stories of that sort?
Like well, uh, like my performance during SSB, I felt I judged myself as very mediocre because yeah, at the second day itself, most of us defense aspirants have some common myths in our mind. है ना? So during the second day after the psych tests, in the SRT, I am a very slow writer here, very slow writer. I concentrate on my handwriting. My
Okay.
dad is an English teacher, and he used to, he made it a point that my handwriting develops very nicely when I'm small. So as a result, I became very slow writer. So and as I mentioned before, I never practiced any of these psych tests. I was doing it
Okay.
for the first time when I came to the SSB. So during the SRT, out of 50, I could attempt maybe only 35 or 40. Okay.
Oh, okay.
And it's a very low number, right? And as this defense aspirants, we all have this notion mind कि अगर recommended होना है, तो at least तो 53,
Uh-huh.
आसपास ही you need to attempt, right? तो
Sorry,
भाई
speaking, you are trying to improve upon that.
हाँ तो भाई at that point itself, I had kind of made it in my mind कि भाई I'm not going to get recommended. Okay.
Okay.
So from there कि unknowingly I got into kind of a chill mood. कि
Okay.
भाई
Okay. Okay.
जो होना है सो होना है. I'm not anyway going to get recommended. So I
Okay.
anyway
Oh,
gave my best and come back. Okay.
okay.
Because I knew कि if I get confidence doubt, I'll have to do a self introspection. Okay. So भाई it's best to remain chill है ना. So
Ah,
that's okay. So yeah, then again the GTO started from the next day, and all my performances were kind of mediocre, just mediocre. The group discussions went well, and then yeah, one thing which I thought I had performed more than my expectations was during the individual obstacles. During the individual obstacles, the thing is, yeah, I didn't perform exceptionally well by the standards. I didn't complete all 10 and maybe repeat again. I just did only 8, but I was satisfied by the way I did it. Yeah.
So now conference part. So how was your conference, and what were the questions that were asked to you in the
Well,
conference?
conference was, it was okay. It was
Okay.
somewhat like, the thing is, I felt a bit strange before getting called inside because,
Okay.
I was test number 5, and all four people, 4 guys before me, they were called in, I guess, within 2 or 3 minutes of having the test numbers announced. Okay, they were calling. But I don't know, by the time I was called, I was made to wait for around maybe 15-20 minutes or so.
Okay. 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 Okay.
कि क्या चल रहा है? What are they
Uh-huh.
discussing? I don't know. Was I so bad in the SSB, man? I guess I fucked up. so, so like after a very very long wait, the guy who actually called me, there was a helper, who used to sit beside us. He kind of
Uh-huh.
dozed off in the middle because it was afternoon, and he kind of dozed off too. And by the time my chest number flashed on the screen, he woke up and he told, "Bhai, chalo, andar chalo." Okay, I then went inside, and it was my first experience of a conference ever.
Okay. Okay.
I only had images of what a conference would be like, and it was kind of dark room, the kind of horror room you see,
Yeah, it
dark.
is. Yeah, the feeling is very intimidating. Yeah, oh, 15 officers. Okay, you have to be,
And a U-shaped table,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
all these Navy officers are sitting white and white like ghosts, है ना?
Yeah,
है ना?
yeah,
And all of them had their medals on their chest, and
yeah.
they were all decorated, and they looked, like very majestic. Okay, I
Yeah,
felt kind of, intimidated. I felt kind of very little, but still,
yeah.
I mustered all my courage and walked up. Okay,
Mm.
and then I made it a point कि I look only at the officer who is talking to me and nobody else. So that
Okay.
was how I was able to keep myself. Okay. So I
Okay.
went and I greeted the president of the board and I sat down. He told me to take my seat. I sat down. Okay. And then the president of the board didn't speak up, rather another officer, an IO who was sitting next beside him. He kind of spoke, Joseph, I see this is your first attempt at the SSB. So how was it? How do you rate yourself from maybe like on a scale of 10? So, I didn't have my voice. So I was really struggling. I said, uh, sir, I would give myself a 6. I was honest there. I didn't want to
Yeah.
fake things. I was on, and
Yeah.
at that time I was, pretty. I knew, there are certain aspects of the SSB in which I hadn't performed to a level which I had expected of myself. So I thought, sir, maybe I would give myself a 6. That
Okay. Okay.
broke only at the moment when my chess number was announced. So I
So,
guess, yeah,
I was
yeah.
there in that room when the chess number was being announced, and when that psychologist ma'am came and she said only 1% has got recommended. Everybody was speculating for two other people, and when ma'am said she make any guesses, and both our guesses were wrong. So I remember your expression when your chess number was called. You were shocked. I remember you were shocked.
Literally.
From your yeah, from your expression, I know you were shocked. So, but from your point of view, what was your feeling? What were you feeling like when the chess number was called?
Right. Honestly speaking, when the lady psychologist came in, right,
Yeah.
and she was telling so many things, right? She was telling us guys, guys, don't worry,
Mhm.
whatever happens, don't worry, this is
Yeah.
not the end of it. And she was saying so many things, but I wasn't, hearing all of it. I was
Yeah. Yeah.
at that time I was thinking why anyway I'm not going to make it through. Okay. So
Okay.
I was thinking of all different ways I could get back to Bangalore or either to home. Okay. Because why
Okay.
then though I knew I'm not getting any seats in any trains. So I would
Okay.
have to stay
Okay.
in Visakhapatnam, and Visakhapatnam is a new city. So I'd have to
Okay.
figure out a way. I don't have much money in hand. So maybe,
No.
I would have to book a room in the railway station and stay there for a day. Okay, and then book the next day's train. So I was thinking of all different aspects in which I could go home. Rather than I was thinking of what exactly happens when you get recommended and stuff. That never
Yeah.
ever crossed my mind. That
Okay.
was
Okay.
then, but I had it deep inside my mind. She asked, like us, who do you think is going to get recommended? And many chess numbers were being called out, right?
Yeah.
So at that point, I had it in my mind, agar if I am recommended, even if in the if I have the slightest chance, I would get recommended along with the group, but not being the single
Oh,
one.
okay.
That is the only
Okay. Okay.
chance.
Okay.
Because there were guys,
Okay.
even in my group too, who had literally performed better than me in the GTO. Okay. I
Yeah.
don't know how they did in their psych, in their interview. I don't know about that. But in the GTO, they were like pretty awesome here. They did better
Yeah.
than me.
Yeah.
So
True. True.
the
True.
thing is, that never crossed my mind I would get recommended alone. And it was at the
Okay.
exactly same moment that the lady psychologist said, okay, I'm about to announce the results. And this is one guy who has been recommended from the group. So bhai, chalo, confirmed, pakka. I'm not the one. And she paused for a while and she said, it's chess number 5. She said it's
Yeah.
chess number.
Yeah.
And at that point, we don't have chess numbers, right?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. We don't.
We don't have chess numbers, and found it difficult to actually cope up with what she really said at that time. Okay, I was looking around. And then within a few seconds all of you are looking at me.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
I
We were clapping like,
that's
yay.
Yeah, that's why it struck me this has happened. I had to get up, and then she asked me okay, fine, tell me your date of birth. So I said, okay, 1997. Okay, Joseph, tell me your CDS or roll number. So
Yeah.
I was So I was like, किधर से आया है question? So that never crossed my mind. Then all of you guys helped me out. You said ki CDSM00. I repeated after you, CDSM00. And I looked back at ma'am and said, ma'am,
And you were lost.
I felt lost. I felt lost. And she said, okay, Koina, no worry. Okay, you can come forward and take your new test number and move on to the medical candidates room. And all of it, it seemed like a trance. It seemed like
Obviously.
it seemed
It
so
must
special.
have been.
It seemed so special. Yeah.
So now that you have made it into the merit list, now you're joining the academy very soon. Maybe this month, maybe by the end of this month. So what is your dream service, dream branch of the Navy that you want to get into?
Yeah, for me, my dream branch would definitely be naval aviation because
Okay.
I got fascinated by Top Gun. I would want to be a
Yeah.
naval aviator. I would die to be a naval aviator any day. But why, again, whether I be a pilot or not, it's a very, very, very long way ahead. I don't know whether I'll get to be one or not. Only time will tell.
You are still dangerous. You can be my wingman anytime.
Bullshit. You can be mine.
Okay. So maybe you'll get to live a life of Top Gun or maybe the Ghazi attack. Who knows?
Anyway, it's cool, man. I feel I'm blessed. I'm really blessed.
Okay. Okay, Joseph. It was wonderful interacting with you and all the best for your joining
Definitely.
and all the best for your training.
My pleasure, man. My pleasure, man. And all the best to you too. Okay.
Thank you.
And
Joseph.
I hope you're able to inspire and reach out to many defense aspirants through this channel. And many
So,
get
yeah,
recruited.